back to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm here in Paris with Samsung. I'm gonna show you guys all the new devices and my favorite features. Let's get into it. Something I've been super excited about is the Galaxy Ring. It's like having your own wellness coach. I was super excited to try it on, and I love minimalistic jewelry, and this Galaxy Ring is that. I am definitely leaning towards the gold, and I'm so excited to test it out for you guys. It tells you your energy score and bases that off your physical, stress, exercise, food, and water intake. It's also crazy because the charge lasts up to 2 weeks and it only takes 80 minutes to charge fully. I love the little box it comes in. I think it is so luxurious and just looks amazing. It comes in 3 colors: titanium black, silver, and gold, and it is super lightweight. It is water resistant up to 300 feet and scratch resistant. They have really cool gesture controls, so if you go like this with your fingers when you're wearing the ring, you can take a photo or even turn off an alarm. It is so useful. The starting price is $399, which I think is totally reasonable for something like this, and I'm really excited to test it out. I just got sized for my Galaxy Ring. It is so nice. I'm a gold jewelry type of girl, and I love how the gold looks, and it's also so thin, and it looks really nice with my like thin minimalistic jewelry. I love it. Okay, not bad.
No more ring trying on for me.
The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a top of the line experience. You can use it for deep sea diving, hiking, or very adventurous activities. It is water resistant up to 100 meters and has a new design with aerospace grade titanium. The quick button on the side can start and pause what you're doing. You can also use it to indicate that you've completed a lap or started a new workout interval, and you can use it as an emergency button, which gives you the confidence to push yourself safely. It also has the longest battery of 48 hours, and with power save mode, it's up to 100 hours. And when it's paired with your Galaxy Ring, it will tell you amazing stats about your energy score and wellness tips. I think this is really cool for athletes and people who are doing extreme sports. It's gonna be awesome to try out. With the Galaxy Watch 7, I'm really excited about the new bands. We have sports, fabric, and athleisure. Both series have enhanced durability and more screen. If you're like me and obsessed with the Flip series, you're gonna love the new Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's the thinnest Flip yet. It's also super light, and I'm really loving the hinge of this. It's so good. You can't even tell that there's a line here at all. Like, there's no ridge. It's super flat. One thing I'm really excited about is the creative wallpapers. It's so cool because the emojis can jump on the screen as you turn it. They're doing these cool animations. It is gonna be so much fun to customize. I love customizing my home screens and lock screens to different aesthetics, as you guys know. So I'm so excited to get my hands on this device and show you guys the best customization features. Okay, this is so cool. First we have our lock screen, right? And now when we open it, it lights up. I need this. This is the thinnest Flip yet. It has new colors, a new lens that actually matches the color scheme. It comes in blue, mint, yellow, and silver, and there's actually online exclusive colors as well. We have crafted black, white, and peach. I'm really loving the yellow. I think that one's my favorite. And this mint green are stunning. What do you guys think? This is actually one of the online exclusive colors. We got peach. I think it looks so cool. That's a cool like white gray color. It feels so cool. It's so sleek. Something I also really like about the Flex window is that you can resize the widgets. It's also really cool because on the Flex window, you can have the interpreter translation on, so you can be doing a live translation with someone and they see it on your Flex window. This is such a game changer. I'm definitely gonna try it out this week in Paris. Just like the S24 series, we have a 50 megapixel main camera and a new 12 megapixel lens for low light detail. The quality of these photos are amazing. Let me take a selfie and show you guys. This is on the selfie camera, and now let's do one on the main camera. The quality is so impressive. This is a cool feature. If you go like this, it gives you a countdown. And then you can take a photo. I love it. Oh, wait.
Whoa.
Why is that the best quality ever? If you take a lot of self-portraits, you're gonna love the new auto zoom feature. It will frame the picture exactly how you like it. All right, guys, we are trying the new auto zoom. So when I stand here, you see how it just gave me a wide. Love that. And now let's try it from back here. Me in Paris. I love it. This is so cool. Really useful if you're taking photos of yourself. And of course, if you do this, it also works. Love it. It's really cool to have so much trust in your device to make sure you get the best quality content possible. I also really love the camcorder grip where you can hold it like this. It's giving that nostalgic feel and makes taking content so much more enjoyable and fun.
We're going to close the phone and then turn it. Now we have all of these controls so we can adjust the aspect ratio, our quality. Oh my god, we're recording.
There are tons of new cases. My favorite one is the flip suit. When you open it up, they have lights and it's so unique. I've never seen a phone case like this before. If you love content creation and customization, you're definitely gonna want to check out this device. I'm gonna be filming a full day in the life review, so make sure to follow along to watch it first. I was so impressed by the Z Fold 6. First of all, it is the thinnest fold yet. This screen is so large and it's actually really light. It comes in pink, navy, and silver, and the online exclusive colors are white and this gorgeous crafted black. All right, this is the Z Fold in the new pink color. I think it is so cool. I'm really excited to test this out. I know there's a lot of cool features about productivity that are really gonna enhance my workflow. So stay tuned for a review about that. This phone seems like it's so big. It's literally as big as my hand, but it is so thin. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like it's heavy at all, which I love, and I'm loving the pink color, of course. One feature I was really excited about is the math feature. So you can actually circle to search on a math equation. It not only answers that equation for you, but it tells you a step-by-step of how it got that answer. It is literally like having a teacher in your pocket. I feel like this is so amazing for people who love to learn individually or are just doing homework at home. This is a game changer. I was also extremely impressed by the live translation feature. You can take a photo of anything in a different language and it will translate it right there for you. But not only that, it can have multiple different languages all over the image and it will translate everything individually. It is so useful when you're traveling. For example, you can take a picture of a restaurant in the street. It will translate it for you right there and actually show you the web results so you can look at reviews or the menu. Now it actually works on third-party apps like WhatsApp and Signal. If you're super into productivity, I feel like this device could be the one for you. So we have Note Assist that auto formats documents for you. We have Transcript Assist, which gives you effortless meeting minutes, and Browsing Assist, which does summaries and translation. I had so much fun testing out the creativity features. I feel like everyone's gonna have so much fun testing this out, and it makes really impressive animations. A feature I was so shocked by was when I got to draw an image and it created the most gorgeous, stunning design. Let me show you. We are gonna draw something. We're gonna do a butterfly. Now we're gonna go like this.
I'm gonna draw it.
Sketch to image. Trace around the drawing. Okay. Now we're gonna go generate. We can do pop art, watercolor. Let's do watercolor. That's kind of cool. Generate. Let's see. Fine tuning with artistic flair. Whoa! So, as you can see, it turned my basic drawing of a butterfly into this gorgeous watercolor. I'm so impressed. I feel very proud of myself. All right, let's see if it understands what this is. I don't think it will, but I'll be very impressed if it does. Comment down below what you think this drawing is. Let's see if AI will even understand. If it knows this, I'm gonna be so impressed.
Let's say, shut up.
Oh my gosh! Guys, this was the original drawing and look. Okay, I'm so impressed. So you don't have to be an artist to come up with really cute, creative photos. I love it. I took a selfie and then in seconds, it created the coolest photo edits. I got to see myself as a sketch, as a watercolor image. It was really cool to try out. Whoa!
Whoa.
That looks cool. Oh, Disney vibes. That's my Disney princess, this one. Now we are trying the watercolor effect. Whoa. Oh, that's fun. I like that one. That's really cool. It even gave me a background. These devices are not only inspiring our creativity and photography, they're actually enhancing productivity and making our workflow so much more seamless. With the Z Fold, there's so much more screen space to multitask, but also with the power of Galaxy AI, we're more confident with our work. Now for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I feel like this device is just so elegant. There's one feature I really have to talk about on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So they have a real-time translate interpretation. As you're walking around a new city with the buds in your ear, you'll actually be able to hear translation directly. You'll be able to check the translated script on your phone screen, and I think this is extremely useful and honestly groundbreaking. Imagine walking around a new city where you don't speak the language and having the live translation play to you in your ears. That is amazing. I'm really excited about all of these devices and I cannot wait to make reviews for you guys. I'm gonna be filming full reviews of all of these new products, so make sure you're subscribed to stay tuned. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!